Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This week we're making the popular kenkey. It's simple and straight to the point. So let's get right into the video. So to begin, I fermented my corn for about a day and a half. You want to see bubbles just like this before you wash it, and then have it milled like this into a powder form, and then you add some water to form a corn dough just like this. So when you get it to this point, you ferment it for about 3 days or more days. It depends on you. Okay, when that's done, you take a portion of it. So you're going to make you're going to add some water to this portion you're going to make, and then you cook it as though you're about to make banku. You don't leave it on fire for too long, about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, or until it forms into a ball. Okay, then you add it back to the raw corn dough. Now you want to be really generous with the salt content of this, just so that you end up with really tasty kenkey. Okay, now this is exactly what we are looking for. Once it gets to this stage, you can turn off the fire and then add it back to the corn dough mixture. You call this a flatter. Now I try to mix it in with a banku stick initially, and then I'll use my hand to break up any lumps that may be left afterwards. You want to thoroughly mix everything together before you proceed to the next stage. To wrap the kenkey, you need corn husk. You can get this from the women who sell the raw corn at the markets. Okay, wash it thoroughly, then you separate them. Okay, so to make the kenkey, you form them into balls, sizable balls, however you want them, whatever size you like. You form them like that, and then you wrap them afterwards. Now to wrap this is not so difficult. You just have to shape it well, and then you're good to go. So you just one layer of corn husk is okay at each time that you're wrapping. So you can just let it slightly overlap each other, and then you form a knot on the top. Once you've put all the wraps around it, form it a knot on the top as though you're forming a knot. You roll it on itself, then you create a space on the shaped kenkey, and then you just put that husk back inside, then you cover it up, and then that's it. I was able to get 11 balls of kenkey from this mixture. I bought 1 olonka of corn at 36 cedis. Kenkey is a staple food that originates from the Ga tribe of the Greater Accra region. It's delicious, it's easy on the pocket, and it goes with a lot of sauces and soups. Okay, so once you're done molding the kenkey, you just place some corn husk at the bottom of a pot. Then you arrange your kenkey nicely. We proceed to the next stage. Cooking kenkey is a labor of love because it takes quite a while until it's ready. Okay, this took 3 long hours to cook. So you just add some water to the kenkey. You add enough water. Now this is not the only water you're going to add to it. I'm going to come back and add water periodically. Okay, so you just be patient. If you want really soft kenkey, you have to be patient and then wait until it's ready. Now, the common way to enjoy kenkey, or how it's usually served on the streets of Ghana, is with fried fish or fried seafood. So on this day, I had some cassava fish, some tilapia. I spiced with ginger, garlic, and salt. I kept it really simple, and then I also added some shrimps and octopus, which I didn't film. I just seasoned that with salt, and then I fried it. When my daddy was alive, he used to eat kenkey every single day without fail, whether he was well or not. It still baffles me to this point how the man was able to consume so much kenkey. But I guess he loved it, and I can't fault him. So here we are 3 hours later. Kenkey is all done, very hot and soft. So your cooking time may depend on the kind of corn that you use. If you get good corn, then 3 hours is okay. If not, then you might end up spending more time cooking this. We've come to the end of the video. Thank you so much for sticking by. If you enjoyed this, please comment, like, share, subscribe for me, just to motivate me to create more videos. Thank you so much, and see you in my next one. God bless you, and bye.